If you're experiencing verification issues on Venmo after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Check your information. Ensure that all the information you provided during the verification process is accurate. Double-check your name, address, date of birth, and social security number for any typos or errors. Step 2. Update the app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Venmo app. Go to your device's App Store, check for updates, and install any available updates to ensure you have the latest features and fixes. Step 3. Clear cache and data. If you're using the app on a mobile device, try clearing the cache and data. Go to your device settings, find the Venmo app, and clear its cache. This can help resolve any temporary issues that may be affecting the app's performance. Step 4. Contact Venmo support. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Wait for a response. After contacting support, be patient and wait for their response. They may require additional information or provide specific instructions to help you complete the verification process successfully. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your verification issues on Venmo. If problems continue, consider seeking further assistance from customer support.